Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the US-Thai Treaty of Amity. Specifically, we're discussing this because, for those who are unaware, American citizens or American corporations can operate in Thailand with quote-unquote national treatment pursuant to the US-Thai Treaty of Amity. What this means is an operation which is deemed and certified by the Ministry of Commerce here in Thailand to be an American company and have their Amity Treaty certificate. Those companies are treated as if they were a Thai company. That's what national treatment in the provisions of the treaty means. And a question I sometimes get is, how big, and in some cases, how small can an Amity Treaty company be? Well, obviously it's got to be, when you're dealing with a foreign national in Thailand, notwithstanding the provisions of the treaty, the company has to be big enough to support a work permit. So the rules regarding work permit are oftentimes going to dictate the level of smallness, for lack of a better term. But with respect to bigness, how big can they be? Could you have a major corporation here in Thailand, or even like a publicly traded company? Based on our research and based on what we've looked at in the law and the treaty itself, yeah, it can be a really major going concern here in Thailand. And in fact, I happen to know there are a lot of major operations in Thailand, significantly large operations in Thailand, that are in fact Amity Treaty certified. So yeah, it is possible to have a pretty big operation going in Thailand. There's not some rule that says, oh, these Amity companies have to be SMEs. Yeah, I would say that a lot of Americans doing business here, especially individuals, small businesses, yeah, they do enjoy the benefits of the treaty, but they don't have to. Depending on their circumstances, and they don't have to be small businesses either. Bigger businesses can operate in Thailand under the terms of the treaty between the United States and the Kingdom of Thailand.